If you've ever wondered whether AI is replacing your value at work, pause right there. Because the truth is, AI can't replace the skills you've spent a lifetime building. And those skills, they're your greatest advantage. Women in midlife often tell me they feel behind with AI and they worry they're not learning fast enough. They believe that younger colleagues are better equipped to use AI or that their experience suddenly matters less. But here's what I want you to hear today. AI can process information, but it cannot interpret meaning the way you can. AI cannot read a room or sense tension or navigate conflict. It cannot understand the emotional undercurrent of a conversation. And you can. Your emotional intelligence, the wisdom you've built through decades of relationships, work, caregiving, leadership, and lived experience is irreplaceable. AI doesn't have that discernment. It doesn't have intuition. It doesn't have the ability to sense when something feels off, or when someone needs reassurance, or when a message needs to be a softer tone. And here's the beautiful part. AI works best when paired with these human strengths. When you bring your clarity and your values, your lived experience, and your relational wisdom into a conversation, AI becomes a tool that amplifies your voice rather than replacing it. AI helps you structure your ideas. It helps you reduce invisible labor. It helps you communicate with more ease and less pressure. AI helps you show up with confidence and presence. Research shows that women in midlife carry more invisible communication labor and face greater scrutiny over their tone and communication style at work. AI-supported writing reduces cognitive load and strengthens clarity, structure, and leadership presence. So today, I want you to remember this. You are not behind. You are not being replaced. You are stepping into a new chapter where your human strengths matter more than ever. And AI can be here to support you, not compete with you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care now. Bye-bye.